I'm going to tell you something very important, but it's a secret, so I need you to promise me that you're not going to tell anyone about it.
Don't worry, my lips are sealed.
If you didn't catch what Bob just said, he said, "Don't worry, my lips are sealed." This is something that we say when someone tells us a secret, or asks if they can tell us a secret. Also, for anyone who is new here, I'm Teacher Mike. I help adults like you learn real English that they can use in their daily lives. And today, we are talking about common English expressions that you can use when talking about secrets. But first things first, what is a secret? And how do we use the word secret in a sentence? So a secret is basically something that some people know but don't want other people to know. Sometimes it's something good, sometimes it's something bad. Whether it is good or bad is not important. The important thing is just that you do not want other people to know about it. For example, maybe you lied to someone, and no one knows that you did it. And you are not going to tell anyone that you did it. That is a secret. Or maybe you bought something for your spouse, and you haven't told them about it yet because you want it to be a surprise. That is also a secret. And in those examples, I used the word secret as a countable noun. However, we can also use it as an adjective. And when we use it as an adjective, we often do this by putting it before a noun. For example, my uncle won't tell anyone his secret recipe for fried chicken. Also, when talking about secrets, we usually use the word tell, not speak or say. For example, I'm going to tell you a secret. Or, she told me a secret. And when you don't tell anyone about a secret, that is called keeping a secret. So sometimes when we want to tell someone a secret, we first ask them, "Can you keep a secret?" If they say yes, that means that you can tell them the secret and they will not tell it to anyone else. Hopefully. And sometimes we see something happen, or we talk to someone about something, and afterwards we decide that we want to keep that thing a secret. In this type of situation, there are several different things that we can say. Two very simple ones are, "Let's keep this a secret," and "Please don't tell anyone about this." Another very common one is, "Let's keep this between the two of us," or "Please keep this between the two of us." You might also hear people say, "This does not leave this room." However, this one can sound very serious, like an order, so I don't recommend using this one in most situations. One more very serious sounding one that you might hear sometimes is, "Don't tell a soul," which is just a very dramatic way of saying, don't tell anyone at all. And if someone says one of these things to you, there are also many ways that you can reply. Again, Bob said, "My lips are sealed." When something is sealed, that means that it has been closed very securely, and opening it again will not be easy. So saying "my lips are sealed" is like saying, "My mouth will stay closed. I will not say anything to anyone." And here's another very common thing that you can say.
Well, Mike, your secret's safe with me.
Again, if you didn't catch what Bob said, he said, "Your secret is safe with me." It's just another way of saying, "I promise I won't tell anyone." Also, most of you probably already know who Bob is, but if you don't, He is another great English teacher who makes really useful videos. You can find him on Facebook and YouTube by searching Learn English with Bob the Canadian. And finally, here are two very common idioms that every native English speaker knows. The first one is the cat's out of the bag. This just means the secret is not a secret anymore. People know about it. And we often use this one when someone tells other people about the secret by accident. For example, maybe they got excited and they weren't careful about what they were saying or who they were saying it to. Or maybe they just didn't know that it was supposed to be a secret. They talked about it because they thought that everyone already knew about it. And we don't always use those exact words. For example, we can also say, someone let the cat out of the bag. Who let the cat out of the bag? Or, I'm sorry that I let the cat out of the bag. And the second idiom is to spill the beans, which means the same thing as the previous idiom. Someone told someone about something that was supposed to be a secret, and now it is not a secret anymore. We usually use this one in the sentence, someone spilled the beans, or in the question, who spilled the beans? So yeah, that's how we talk about secrets in English. And just a quick reminder, I have new videos every Sunday and Thursday, as well as a live video every Tuesday. So if you're interested in more videos like this one, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications. Also, if you have a few more minutes, why not watch another video right now? That's all for today. Thank you for watching.